Hey, Taiping Airlines Math Industry, and we're going to use math to try and solve this formula, and we're also going to determine what kind of reaction it is. So we're going to try and balance this formula. Let's start. So we have carbon is 1, hydrogen is going to be 4, plus oxygen is 2, and on the other side, carbon is 1, oxygen is 2, plus 1, and hydrogen is going to be 2. So, hydrogen and oxygen are unbalanced. What we're going to be trying to do is come up with a coefficient that can go here, 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 or here. So we can make the atoms have the same number so they can be balanced. So what we're going to do is have hydrogen become balanced with hydrogen. Hydrogen has 2, hydrogen has 4. So on this side, to make this 2, we're going to try and put a 2 right there so it'll affect that one and oxygen. So hydrogen 2 times 2 is now going to be 4. That's because of that coefficient of 2. And not only is affecting hydrogen, but it's also affecting oxygen. Oxygen now has 2. So we erase this one and say 2 plus 2. The reason why we have 2 plus 2 is because we have 2 and 1. But since that coefficient is 2 there, that'll affect there to now have oxygen have 2 atoms. Hydrogen is now balanced with hydrogen. Oxygen now has a total of 4 atoms. But on this side, oxygen has a total of 2 atoms. So we're going to try and place a 2 right there to affect it with this oxygen. So now, oxygen now has 4 atoms. Now, the formula is balanced. So let's try and figure out what kind of reaction it is. What kind of reaction is it? Yes, it's a combustion reaction.
At this rate, we'll have the kelp shakes recipe faster than you can say.
You have 3 seconds until spontaneous combustion.
Let's beat it! No kidding. Wait! You forgot!
So, like in that video, a combustion reaction is a type of chemical reaction that causes an explosion. As you can see, with the elements inserted into the formula, they can tell you that this is a chemical reaction, that is a combustion reaction, because of the elements inserted into it. Oxygen, carbon, and water are all elements that are needed to make an explosion. Hydrogen is very flammable. Carbon is a nonmetal. Oxygen is also a nonmetal. Combustion reactions must have oxygen at the end before an arrow, and carbon dioxide and water at the end when the arrow is pointing directly at it. So remember, combustion reactions cause an explosion. Here's an example of a combustion reaction.
Destroy my lab, will you, Krabs? Well, if it's war you want, it's war you'll get! Where's the momentum? Man your battle stations! I'm on it! He's driving me customers away! All right, Plankton, you want my customers so badly? You can have them! Do your worst, Krabs! I hate my job. Forky-headed projectile on the port side!
That is an example of a combustion reaction. Plankton was flying an airship and he was trying to steal a secret formula, and the airship he was flying must have had hydrogen in it because it's one of the elements that are able to make an explosion. Hydrogen is very, very flammable, but it can produce lift in an airship. And when Patrick was hit and he shot right through the airship, since hydrogen is flammable, it became really, really hot. Then it burned up because oxygen and hydrogen were present in the airship, causing it to burn up and shoot right back at the Krusty Krab. With carbon and hydrogen, when they're being used in a combustion reaction, they are able to make carbon dioxide and water. This would happen when there's a combustion reaction. Thank you for watching Taoping Airlines Math Industry. Like and subscribe. To end the video, let's see Mario and Super Mario Galaxy being in explosions.